Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, July 1st. It's been a while. It's been a few days. It's been actually like a week since I've uploaded. Yeah, sorry I've been gone for a minute. You see where my account's at. The last 4 weeks of my trading has been, it's been rough. It's definitely been rough the last 4 weeks. I've been in a slump. I haven't been trading the way I need to be trading, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I've been recording my sessions. I just haven't been editing them, and I'm kind of just losing that motivation to upload. I've been feeling very weird about my trading. I think it's just because I've been struggling and stuff, and it's just because I've been super money oriented. I haven't been taking good setups. I haven't been following my rules. I've been over trading, even over leveraging at times. I've been rushing into trades, taking bad setups, just bad execution, and it's holding me back. And I basically backed down to break even on the account when I was up 1,000. I was literally up 1,000, and now I'm back down to break even. It sucks, and it is what it is, though. That's what comes with. That's what happens when when you're too money oriented and you're not being the trader you need to be. That's what happens, man. And the market will make you pay for it. And it has been. If we can look at my win percentage. Remember, my win percentage was at 65%, some shit like that. Look at this shit now, bro. Look at this shit now. It's pretty rough, man. It is pretty sad. Look at this. Just been down the last 4 weeks, and last month was good. You see, we did really good last month, but yeah, this month has been pretty bad. But it's a new month. It's July 1st. If we look at Forex Factory, we do have news. We already had Powell speak, and then we have Jolt at 10 a.m. and ISM. So yeah, hopefully it's a good little week and stuff. Yesterday, like I said, was already off to a bad start, but that's okay. I just need to get back to the basics. Need to get back to trading my setup, trading the way I need to trade. Just being patient, being habit oriented. I've been too focused on the money. Let's actually do some top down analysis. So on the 4 hour, we see we're still inside. We're still holding this 4 hour for value gap, and we took that sell side inside of that 4 hour / 1 hour for value gap as well. But on the 15-minute, we did inverse this gap, and then like I said, we do have a bullish SMT with NQ taking this low. ES, we didn't take that low, so we have a lot of stacked up highs. So I am bullish. I just want to see a buy model. Honestly, I would love to see some internal manipulation, so these lows get taken. And then yeah, right now we are rejecting though these 5-minute gaps, rejecting this one and this one as well. Like I said, I'm just getting back to the basics, man. Only taking quality setups and taking 2 trades a day max, and leaving it at that, man. If I letting my trades play out, if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. And it just sucks because I was so consistent for a couple months following my rules and being the trader I needed to be, and I was profitable because of it. Or by profitable, I mean I was up on my account. Some just happens where when you're just in a slump, you kind of just lose your confidence. You start to lose your vision and start to question things, and you just start to take dumb setups and stuff. And yeah, I don't know, but like I said, definitely just trying to get back to it, man. Trying to get back to being the trader I need to be. And with these videos, honestly, I've been discouraged just uploading and editing them and stuff like that. Like I said, I recorded here. I'll show you guys all my videos saved right here. Look, see, I've been recording. Basically, I didn't record maybe 1 day, but I've been recording. I just haven't edited them. I haven't wanted to upload them. Not even just that I'm losing. I think a part of me has to do with the losing. It's not like I'm scared to show me losing. I mean, I've showed multiple times I've lost. It's not that. It's just when I lose, I just feel terrible. I just feel discouraged because it's the way I lose. It's obviously me just taking random setups, me overtrading, me breaking my rules, and like I just get discouraged. I just like am so emotional when I'm off the charts. I just don't want to upload. I'm just like I don't feel like uploading. I don't even feel like looking at any type of chart, even if that's through my video, through whatever. But I know I need to because it's a really good learning experience. Like over the weekend I was studying my trades. I was watching my videos to see like what I was doing wrong, you know, what I was doing right. I was watching the videos I was winning to, watching the videos I was losing, like what are my thought process, what should I look for, what do I do? And yeah, so it's a good like little, it's like tape. I can like watch my tape, but like I said, I'm just so emotional when I get off the charts because I'm losing, and the way I'm losing that I just don't even want to edit my video. I just don't even want to upload. I'm like, fuck it, like fuck this, you know. And I know I need to upload regardless. I need to be consistent regardless, you know. It just sucks, man. It genuinely just sucks being in a slump and trading. Like I said, it's not even that I'm losing, it's why I'm losing, it's how I'm losing. And it's just me, it's me that's making the mistake. But right now we see the market is pretty choppy, so we're just gonna wait. Like I said, just following my system. You know, let's pull up my system. 2 trades a day. Entries can only be post 950. Can only enter when price is clear and obvious. Nice. So we took out all these lows, exactly what I wanted to see. Now that we got some internal manipulation, I do just want to see somewhat of a buy model form here. CNES, we're still holding this 1 minute bullishly, so that's something to look out for. Yeah, I just want to see, let's see if we get a bearish for value gap here. Definitely want to see an inverse of that or some shit. Yeah, I was about to say, I definitely want to see a respect of this, and then form a short-term high right here. And then we already know, we just want to see displacement through that. See if we get a high forms right here though. What y'all think about this, man?
Order filled.
I feel like this is a pretty good trade. I'm not gonna lie, everything's in place that we want to see. Very good setup. See, this is a textbook, this is a quality setup right here. All the logic is there, the proof is there. See if we can win, y'all. You just let this bitch play out, man. Let the market play out. If I lose, it is what it is. I'm only risking 130. Fuck it. This is looking good though. 5 minute, we inversed. Oh well, technically we didn't close yet, but I like to see it inverse. We do have all these stacked highs here. I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way up there. That's why I just want to see how far we get up. Really, 3 minute. Definitely want to see a 3 minute gap form here. I don't really want to see this closed in. I like how we closed here. Okay, good. 3 minute, we did create a fair value gap. 2 minute, we did create one as well. I would like to see some movement up in these next 2 candles before jolts, because we could easily get manipulated out for sure. Again, logic was there. I'm definitely not mad about this loss if I do end up losing. Just sucks, man, because like I said, I've just been in a slump. I like anything I take, it's just not going in my favor. I don't think I've had a winning trade in, wow, almost like 3 weeks, 4 weeks now. It's been kind of sad, man. I don't really like how we're just not getting any movement up. Looks like we're kind of just selling. All right, we got 30 seconds for jolts. Shit. All right, y'all. Like I said, we could get manipulated. It could either bless us or it's gonna fuck us. Let's just see how it goes. I'm not trying to assume anything, but just recently how market's been going. Oh gosh, yep, told you. What did I say? I literally knew it. I literally knew it. Down 225 on the day. Told you. Told you, man. Alright, well, let's just reset. Still early. We're gonna be on the charts for a little bit. We'll take one more trade for today if there's a setup. If not, just another losing day. It is what it is. Fuck, man. It's been sad. It is sad. Like I said, not a terrible setup. Logic was there. I mean, bullish SMT still in place. Looks like we're gonna have another choppy morning though. Also, like, yeah, when you're in a slump too, it does get to a point like when you're just losing so much, you kind of become numb to it, you know what I mean? Kind of just used to it. You're like, fuck it. Like, I feel like that's how you should be in trading too. You just gotta be like numb to losing, bro, because it's like, obviously if you're not, then that's when you get emotional. And whatever. But shit, when you're in a slump, it's kind of like you expect it, you know what I mean? Like whatever trade you take, you kind of expect, you're like, oh, I'm probably gonna lose this bitch, but it is what it is. I guess we'll let it play out, you know what I mean? That's just kind of my mindset with things right now. I'm just trying to be the best trader I can be, and that's just being patient, taking good setups. Shit, minus 602 on the week. And I mean, I guess, yeah, if you're looking at this price action, like when you're just looking at this price action, yeah, there is no setup here. So I guess that's just me making up setups in my head, like I've been doing the last 4 weeks. I don't know why I've been doing that. I've just been making setups up. Like literally, I've just been like seeing shit that's just like not there. You know, in times like this, like when you're in a slump in trading, kind of do question, like, you know, is this really for me? Is this really my calling? You know what I mean? Is this my career? Like, you do question things when it's just going so bad. Like, is this gonna work out? Like, you know, I say I'm not gonna stop till it does, but it's like, you know, win. Just win. Yeah, like 4 years now, man. It's been like 4 years. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, like, it does make sense. Like, if I look at my textbook setup, this is my textbook setup. SMT, fully inverse, lowers its liquidity, boom. This is my textbook setup. Low displays. Like, does this look like my textbook? What does this look? Oh wow. Displaced post 10 a.m. Displaced market structure shift. Like, does this look like my textbook setup? No, there's nothing here. Should be another no trade day today. That's what's been killing me too. The days I should be taking no trades, I've been taking trades and paying the price for it. Just been so discouraged with this shit, man. Being in a slump, it really just, it makes you feel like you can't do anything right, you know? My motivation's just down. Obviously, I'm gonna keep trading, like always, man. You know, when you're in a slump, you're gonna keep trading, keep working through it. But hopefully I get out this soon, man. I just gotta get back to the basics, and every day I tell myself, like, okay, I'm not gonna trade. I'm only gonna, you know, enter good setups. I'm only gonna enter if this happens. And then I get on the charts and price actions like this, and then I still end up taking a trade and losing. But I'm getting off this right now. I just don't want to be on the charts anymore, honestly. I don't feel like being on the charts. It's not good price action, and I already lost and stuff. So, alright, y'all, you know, that's everything. I think I definitely will upload this video. I mean, it's pretty short, so it's not gonna take me long to edit. I just need to rest, though. I'm gonna go just rest and shit for a little bit, and I'll upload this sometime today. But alright, y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be the last day I trade, because Friday's obviously 4th of July, Thursday's NFP, so I don't trade NFP. Usually the day before NFP is pretty ass too, but hopefully, I mean, if it's ass price action tomorrow, I should just not be taking a trade. So, but alright, y'all, I'm off this bitch. I'll see y'all tomorrow, and yeah, y'all have a good one.